guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I'm going to do one of my first fall makeup looks on this channel. I'm super excited. If you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a great big thumbs up, comment below if you like this video, and enjoy, guys. Okay, so this is the palette that I'm going to be using for this video, but I have used it in the past couple of weeks and I am loving it. The pigment's great, the pressed shades are great, like they're all awesome in here and they blend very well. So I want to go ahead and do a review on this. Is kind of in the season of fall and I love this time of year, especially when it comes to makeup, because that's when I get real dramatic with my eye look. So I'm going to use the Sienna's palette here. And it has 21 shades, PROFusion cosmetic. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump in. I got my foundation, had my primer put on, went ahead and did my contour and my blush. And then I'll share all that down below in the description bar below with you guys. Guys, check out my fingernails. Can you believe I did these on my own, guys? Aren't they cute? Definitely. Anyways, I love my fall background. Don't know if you guys do. If you're a Hocus Pocus fan, I am too. But I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this. I'm going to stop blabbing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off with a transition shade. So I'm probably going to start off with Pilot here. And then I'm going to jump into Oasis here. I love this palette because it also comes with the names on the actual palette itself. So I'm going to jump in with the brush that it came with, PROFusion. It's just a blending brush. This is just a transition shade, just blending it from the outside to the middle of the crease, all the way to the inner tear duct area. Not all the way to it, just close enough. Alright, so that gave me a pretty good base. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Oasis here. Same brush, the PROFusion brush. I'm going to do the same thing with this one, just kind of dab first, then swish, and then go kind of into the crease, but do windshield wiper motions. You don't want this color to be very heavy. This is more your transition shade as well. Back. So I'm going to go with this shade next. Just a tad, not too much. Do the same, kind of dab it. I hate how it gets like blurry when I'm doing this. And I'm going to bring it in just a smidge, not too much into the crease. Again, same shade. I'm doing little circular motions here and then just kind of dabbing and swooshing, kind of like a Nike check. And of course I bring it inside the crease, just like so. Alright, so now I think I'm going to go with a different brush, and that's going to be E.L.F brush. And then I'm going to actually hit this look up with some Cryptic. I think that's how you say that shade right here. I'm going to dip in it with the angled brush here. You can get any brush that you want to. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to dab it more towards the bottom lid on the outside corner. And this kind of starts the base for the darker color. And then I blend that shade up, but mainly keep it down on the bottom. I don't think I've used this shade yet. So guys, I wanted to let you also know that there's been some changing going on. Not in my family, but John's family. Also, I have baked powder here. Totally forgot to wipe that off. But I want to let you know that that is why videos have been limited lately. They've not been weekly, and they've not been every Friday. I've been, honestly, before all this went down, I wanted to kind of start doing 2 videos a week, and I was like, this is not the time to do it, just because there's some family issues that's been going on with his grandmother. That's all I'm really going to say. Family time going on, if you would say. So just kind of bear with me and keep us in your thoughts and prayers, especially John, and I know he would appreciate it. So I love you guys, and thank you for all your support and keeping me going on this, because it's been a little challenging lately, just with trying to get a video up and trying to film one and also do the season type thing. But I've been wanting to, and I love this time of the year, so I appreciate you guys sticking with me and just bearing with me. So one of my girlfriends today, she was like, well, where have you been at? Like, why haven't you uploaded? So I told her the reason. There's just a lot going on. So alright guys, so I definitely want to darken this look up, so I'm going to add a burgundy and a lighter slash brown here. This is called Madly, and then I'm going to go in with Groovy. So Madly and Groovy. So this is the Ecos tool brush here. Super small miniature brush. It's been with me for quite a while now. So again, dipping into the Outspoken shade. It's more of a mauve-y maroon. It's kind of got that orange color in it. I'm going to take it and I'm going to pat it right on the outer crease and blend it right into the crease. I'm going to smoke it out actually. And then I'm going to bring it down on my lower lid, about halfway, and blow it out a little bit. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with Dapper, and then I'll go in with Groovy. So I'm going to take Dapper and I'm going to go right here. Oh yes, and this brush is the Royal and Langnickel MD eyeshadow brush. Don't know where I got this. I think this is the Nick and Sam's Real Techniques brush. Alright, so definitely going to go in with Groovy next with the same brush. Put that right on top of it. Mirror, a palette mirror. So I'm just kind of patting and blending these brown shades, Groovy and Dapper, together. Just kind of in a C shape along the eye. That might be able to describe it better. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take Dapper, Outspoken, and Groovy, and I'm going to put on the lower line very softly. I'm probably going to do it with this brush. So first I'm going to go in with Dapper. And I'm just going little itty bitty strokes back and forth. Kind of like a nail file when you're filing your nail down. Going in with Outspoken, just a tad right in the center. And then Groovy right on the outside. Alright guys, so now I'm going to kind of blend on the top, and I'm going to add definitely a yellowish edgy mustard color. So I'm going to go in with Serenity. That's a really pretty name for that shade. Right, yellow instead. So we're going to check it out. Not bad. Definitely can tell it's there, and I like it. Again, I went with the PROFusion brush, the medium blending eyeshadow brush. Alright guys, so next I'm going to kind of go in with a softer glitter here on the inner lid. So let me find what I'm going to do. Went ahead and sprayed some Fix Plus on my brush. I'm going in with the E.L.F. eyeshadow crease brush. Or lid brush, excuse me, not crease brush. Exclusive shade here in the palette. And then I'm also going to go in with this Sephora highlighter palette. It's called Golden Hour. It's a really pretty shimmer highlight shade, and I'm probably going to use that on my cheeks today. So I'm going to go in with that first and see what it looks like. So it's not too strong and it's not too light. It's just about right. It's more of a rose gold shade. So now I'm going to go in with Exclusive. Go right in the corner with that. And kind of blend it out. Just like so. Not too complex. Alrighty guys, so there's that. I'm going to do this one. Inner tear duct brush here. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Exclusive, that same shade I used on the lid. And I'm going to do the same on the top. And I did go ahead and do my brows while I was at it. So those are done. And I'm now just going to go. Okay guys, so this is the mascara. I'm now going to go ahead and apply a little bit of the Fix Plus. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with the Matte Nude Nancy, and it's in 657, and this is by Maybelline. Okay guys, so there is your look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Going to put some highlight on. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give me a big great thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will do more in the future. And if you guys have any further questions and comments, just let me know. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.